This project is face mask detection with voice alert. Here hardware connections are ESP32 cam and its baseboard. ESP32 cam placed on baseboard like this, and it has all digital pin outs. It can provide 5 volts DC to ESP32 cam. Here ESP32 cam interface with buzzer, switch and API module. We can see here like this. Before going to start this project, we have to create hotspot in our mobile with username IoT server and password IoT server, or we can change our router username and password IoT server and IoT server. Now we have to create hotspot in our mobile. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server. Save. Now power on this. After power on this project, ESP32 cam connected to the Wi-Fi and got IP address. We can know IP address with network scanner app, which is available in Play Store. Now we have to open network scanner app. This app link will be provided in description. Initially, we have to press this start button. Here we can see as press if and got the IP address. Here IP address is 192.168.0.105. Now we have to copy this IP address and paste in another browser. Here we got the streaming window. Initially we have to show our face with mask or without mask and press this button. Then voice announcement will come based on mask wearing status. Now we will see the output. Here we have two conditions. First condition is we will try in without mask, and second condition we will try in with mask. Now we will see the output. Here we can see without mask. Before that we have to press this button. Here it is scanning. You can see. And second condition with mask. Here it is scanning.